herbal oil, beef skewers, oven baked. We will get the best results out of it. This is 1 pound of the beef ball tip. It's into cubes. First thing first, you open this bag. It's already rinsed and clean, and it's into chunks form. One chunk is about 1 by 1, so 1 inch thick mostly. This is what we need, this size pieces. Once you touch the raw meat, always make sure you change the gloves or wipe down your hand really good with sanitizer if you're making food for other people. If you're consuming it by yourself and if you don't have any issues, definitely don't worry about it. Look at these herbs. I'm using garlic oil, I'm using onion oil, I'm using clove oil, this is black seed oil, we will use some salt, this is meat tenderizer. This recipe, it's an instant recipe. You will just marinate. I will show you the quantity. I will tell you the quantity. You'll go by the quantity. You'll marinate this meat, this beautiful looking chunks of red meat, and we will cook this recipe in under 30 minutes of your time, or our time, right? So let's get into it. Let's do the dry stuff first. Meat tenderizer, regular tablespoon. We will need at least 2 of them right here on top of the meat. Just like that. Okay, this is salt. We will take half tablespoon of salt. It's not a spicy recipe. Yeah, we're gonna love it. Black seed oil. Here you go. We'll add this 2 tablespoons. If you want to know how much is the ml in this spoon, one tablespoon usually carry around 15 ml of the oil or any liquid. So this is 30 ml of black seed oil. Let's take garlic oil. We all love garlic flavor, right? Let's smell this. Yeah, this garlic oil. 1 whole big spoon of garlic oil. Look at this clove oil. We'll add 1 tablespoon of clove oil. It's all herbal recipe, but it's a very delicious recipe. The last one, onion oil. Have you ever heard about it? Onion oil? These are all herbal. Yeah, 1 whole tablespoon, 15 ml. Wonderful. So, all our ingredients for this recipe is right here on top of our beef chunks. So, time to put your hand in, massage these guys. Look at this, okay? You cannot tell this meat is marinated in any flavor. But the trick in this recipe is all the oils on top of it, they are carrying the flavor, right? Okay, easy thing to do. Grab baking sheet with the rack, grab a skewer, and just put the meat on the skewer. Very easy. Just leave a little bit space in between. So kebab skewers. This is how it's gonna look, and we will land this right here. You guys can tell, is there any marinade, thick marinade on top? No, right? It is carrying the flavor because of the herbal oils. Make sure when you get herbal oils, they are eatable. It is looking good, right? Look. Herbal oil beef skewers are on the baking sheet, right? I have 6 of them. I have a little bit left over. I'll cook an omelette in the morning with that. So now we will turn on our oven. Let me show you. Oven. We'll put it at bake. Temperature is 500 degrees, okay? And let's press the bake. It's on the preheating stuff. We will wait at least 5 minutes, and then we'll put this delicious herbal beef skewer rack in our oven, and I'll tell you how much the time is. The time, right? Let's put our herbal steak skewers in oven. All right, so it's ready at 500 degrees. Let's slide this in. Forget about it at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep your eyes open with the clock. It's 5:32. At 5:42, we'll just do a sneak peek, Maybe you might need to flip our skewers. 8 minutes, okay? I've been standing here, I've been looking at this recipe so widely. It's been 8 minutes. If you want your meat to be a medium rare, this is it, okay? You can just take out the skewers and you can eat this. I'm not wearing any glove. Since as a man chef, we don't worry about it. We just make things work out. So just flip your skewers on a cook at least 8 more minutes. I want my meat to be medium well done, not super. So just flip it. Look at this shine on top of this meat. This is what it matters, man. I'm using some frozen naans. So these are naan bread. And this is what you will get with the herbal beef skewers option. Okay, at this point, what I smell like a clove. Clove is a very strong oil. I have used a whole spoon. If you don't want your meat to be over cloved, you can use half of the spoon. I'm just giving you a flavor which is like, a tempting flavor. This is actually way to go. Don't look at the brand, just make sure your brand is consumable, for humans. Let's land this right here on top of the naan bread. I told you, and here.
Thoughts of you in my mind. I wonder all the time, when will I see you again? I want to run away to you. I want to run away to you. One must wonder.
In 5 minutes, it was on a room temp. So here is our brown naan, brown whole wheat naan. This is the skewer, and this is the meat. It's super tender, my friend. Try this herbal recipe, man. You gonna love it. This is how you can flavor your meat without all the extras on top. Okay? As a chef, I'm telling you.